Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 525, Contiguous Array. It is a medium level question and I also feel the same. So the question is, given an binary array num, return the maximum length of contiguous subarray with an equal number of 0 and 1. Binary array means it only contains 0 and 1 and you have to return the largest contiguous subarray with equal amount of 0 and 1. So for example, if you see the example number 1, there is 1 0 and 1 1, so the length the length is 2. Similarly, if you see the second example, you can choose either this 0 1 or you can choose this 1 0, so the length is maximum 2. Okay, if you choose all the three, then it will be the 0 is 2 time and the 1 is only one time, so it is an invalid. Okay, so you have to choose all the valid contiguous subarray whose whose number of 0 and 1 is equal. Okay, so the constraint is the array length can go up to 10 to the power 5 and all the element present in the array is only 0 and 1. Okay, okay, so I have taken another array for your for more efficient explanation, and I have put all the indexes of all the element. Okay, now uh okay, so now in this question we require first of all the brute force stack to loop and try to find out all the subarray and try to check it out if it is its number of 0 and 1 is equal or not. Okay, if it is equal, then you update your answer, and if it is not equal, then don't update it. Okay, so it will take somewhat around n square time, n square, and as the n value can go up to 10 to the power 5, so it will be 10 to the power 10, which will give you a TLE. Okay, so we will try to solve it using n or n log n. Okay, so for for particularly for this we will take n uh, we will use a map. Okay, so I am taking a vertically map. uh, Let me take it here. Okay, we'll take a map, so it will be key and value. Okay, so first of all you start from your initial and take a count. Okay, I will take a count variable which count the number of 0 and 1. How? Whenever we encounter a 0, we will do -1. Okay, so if we get a 0, we will do -1, and if we got a 1, we will do +1. Okay, so initially the count value is 0. So I will put this 0 in here also. So 0 and my value will be value contain the index. Okay, what is the value? It is the index. Okay, so initially it is -1. Now I come here, I see it is a 0, so I decrement it by 1, so it will be -1. Okay, now I will check if -1 is already present or not. If it is present, then I will calculate my answer. Okay, I have to take another variable answer. Okay, it is initially as 0. Otherwise, I will put it inside the key. So -1 is not there, so I will do -1 inside it -1, and I put its index as as 0. Now I come again here, then I see it is again 0, so it is -2. I will check again, it is there, no, So I'll put here and I put the index. Okay, so it will be 1. Now I come here again and I see it is 1, so I increment my current count by 1. So it will be -1. Okay, so is -1 is there? Yes, it is here. What is the index of it? It is 0. And what is the current index of this element? It is 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So I will update which is greater than answer. So I will update it by 2. And if you can see that this 2 is valid and it will generate a length of 2. Okay, so we got answer. Whenever you got something from map, don't update. Okay, once you insert anything inside the map, don't update it indexes even if you get uh, the same value. Okay, like here I have got -1, so I will not update it. Okay, I just update my answer. Then again I come here it is again 1. So what I have to do, I have to add 1 to my current count. Okay, so my count, so count is 0. Okay, is 0 is present there? Yes, it is as minus, it is at index -1. And what is the current index of 3? So of 0 it is 3, so it is 3 minus of -1, which is equals to 4. And if you see here, this is the 4 length. Okay, this is the 4 length, a valid answer, so it is greater, so I will update it. Okay, then I will proceed further. Again I got a -1. Okay, so yes, -1 is there and it is a 0 position. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and it is already 4, so I will not update the answer. Okay, then I will come here, it is -2. Is -2 is there? Yes, there at index 1. And 5 minus 1 is uh, again 4, so I will not update as it is already the same answer. Then again 0, it is -3. Is -3 is there? No, so I will put -3 here and I will update my answer to uh, like its index. Okay, not the answer, I will put the -3 with its index. Okay, so it is 6. Now again I got 1, so it will be -2. Okay, as we add 1 to our current count, so it is -2. Okay, so -2 is there? Yes, it is there. So 7, its index is 7 and our previous index is 1. So 7, if okay, so here you can see that if I update the -2 here, okay, then it will be 7 minus 5, which is 2. But we need maximum. So once we get a value, why we need not to update it. I think you will get, you are getting it. Okay, so that it's we get the maximum length. Okay, so it is 7 minus 1, which is 6. And if you see here, this length is a valid length. Okay, so I will update it to 6. Now again I do +1, so it is -1. Again I check if it is -1 is present. Yes, it is present and its index is 0. Okay, so 8 minus 0 is 8, so I will update it as 8. And again here it is 0, so again it is -2. And for -2 is there? Yes. What is the index? 1, so 9 minus 1 is 8, so it is already 8, so our final answer is 8. Okay, so this is the whole approach, and its time complexity is of n, as I will take an unordered map. Okay, and searching in unordered map in average time is of 1, so I consider it as of 1. So the time complexity will only depend on the traversal of the array in the array. So it will be of n time. Okay, so let me show you the code. Okay, so this is the complete code. I have taken a map and I have taken an count and I have taken an answer. Okay, here my answer is not nothing but the max length variable. Okay, then I initially put my 0 into the map. Okay, count, when my count is 0, I put it into the our map with index of -1, as I have shown you here, this one. Okay, then I iterate through the map and I decrement if I got a 0, and I increment if I got a 1, and if I got the same count variable from the map, if it is already present, so this count variable will be greater than 0. So then I will update my max length, okay, to maximum of max length comma I minus to that current index, okay, that this values, okay. Otherwise I will update my map, okay. Then finally return our max length. So if you can see, I have taken the same example here also, and the answer is come up to be 8. So let me submit it. So it is submitted, and I will provide this code link and this question link in the description, so kindly check it out, and hope you understand this concept. And so if you do a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and keep coding. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.